Good day to you wherever you are listening to me, as I welcome you to this channel where you'll be learning about Yoruba language. Welcome. This is lesson 1, Yoruba language class, online class. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì yìí, ìkànnì Yoruba language class. Ibi tá ti máa kọ́ra wa ní èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ̀kọ́ kìíní lélẹ́yìí nínú ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ̀kọ́ kìíní, ìfàyẹ̀wò sí álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá àti ohùn. Òun la máa gbé yẹ̀wò lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ìfàyẹ̀wò sí Abidi Yoruba, álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá àti ohùn, which is introduction to the Yoruba language and sound. My name is Oladimeji Omotosho. Let's go. Yoruba language class, lesson 1. Introduction to the Yoruba language alphabet, Abidi Yoruba. The Yoruba alphabet contains total number of 25 letters, which include 7 vowels and 18 consonants. Vowel méje àti consonant méjìdínlógún. Abidi náà ni A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, W, J. Ẹ jẹ́ n pè lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, W, J. Gbogbo wọ̀nyí ni Abidi Yorùbá tí gbogbo ẹ jẹ́ márùnlélógún. Márùnlélógún ni gbogbo Abidi Yoruba. Now let's move forward to identification of each of these letters. As you can see, we have A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, W, J. Gbogbo ẹ̀ nìyẹn. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, W, J. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Now, identification of vowels in Yoruba alphabet. At the beginning, I said there are 7 vowels in Yoruba alphabet. We have 7 vowels and there are 18 consonants. So these are the vowels, 7 of them. They are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. That's a simple way of calling it or pronouncing the whole 7 alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. 7 of them. Now, identification of consonants in Yoruba language. consonant. In consonant, we have 18 consonants. Méjìdínlógún òun ni consonant Yorùbá. Méjìdínlógún. Méjì péré òun ni vowel Yorùbá. Méjì péré ni vowel Yorùbá. Consonant ó jẹ́ 18. Méjìdínlógún. Ní consonant a ní B, D, F, G, B, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, W, and J. Those are the consonants in Yoruba alphabet. Now, recognizing and pronouncing the sound of each of the letter of Yoruba alphabet. Mímọ̀ àti ṣíṣẹ̀dá ìró lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan nínú èdè Yorùbá. Recognizing and pronouncing the sounds of each letter in Yoruba alphabet. Ha, bá ṣe ń pè ha lélẹ́yìí, ha, as in ha, ha. And B is B, B. Ètí àmúra wọn tó wá fẹ́ pè B, B, B. Àti D, 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 D. We have he, he, then he, 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 fi, he, fi, ki, bi, I, he. We have gi, bi, I, he, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, ho, pi, o, ho, pi, ri, then si, ti. We have ri, si, shi, ti, hu, we, and ye. Thank you for following. Now sample letter with sample words. Àpẹẹrẹ letter pẹ̀lú àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ ní Yorùbá. Sample letter with sample words. Ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ní àpẹẹrẹ letter, that is àpẹẹrẹ abidi pẹ̀lú àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀. Kindly like and share this. So we have A as in Baba, which means father. The underlined letter is a sound. Sample letter in the word. So we have A as in ba, which is father, ba. B, bata, shoe, bata, shoe. D, didun, kí nǹkan dùn, something to sweet, that's sweet. A is baba. A is underlined, baba. B, bata. B is underlined, shoe. D, didun means sweet. Didun, letter D is underlined. He, ejo, meaning snake. He is underlined. Ewa, meaning beans. He is underlined. Ewa, he is underlined. Fi, fila. Fi, fila. Fi, fila, meaning cap. Gi, giga. Gi is underlined. B, 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 B. B is underlined. The letter is underlined. B. We have word for B as in gbajúmọ̀, meaning popular. He, ho, horn, snore. When someone is snoring, snore, horn. The next one. I, ìkòkò, pot. Ìkòkò, pot. Ìkòkò, pot. J, jí, jẹ, eat. Jẹ, eat. Jẹ, as in eat. Kí, kẹ̀kẹ́. Key is underlined. Kẹ̀kẹ́, that's bicycle. Kẹ̀kẹ́, bicycle. I, jí, kí, lí, ilé, ilẹ̀. Lí, as in ilẹ̀, which is ground or land. Ilẹ̀, land. Mi, mu, to drink. Drink, that's mu. Ní, nǹkan, meaning something. Nǹkan, meaning something. Ó, òkúta, meaning stone. Ó, òkúta, ó, òkúta, ó, òkúta, stone. Ọ, ọmọ, meaning child. Ọ, as in ọmọ, meaning child. P, pàtàkì. P, as we have it in pàtàkì. P, pàtàkì. P, pàtàkì, meaning important. Important. Then rí, ràkúnmí, meaning camel. Ràkúnmí, meaning camel. Ràkúnmí, as in camel. Sí, sùn, sleep, sùn, as we have it in sleep. Ṣí, ṣùgbọ́n, but. Ṣùgbọ́n, but. Tí, tẹ́lẹ̀, before. Who, or. He, she, or it. Who, he, she, or it. So this second is one of the second persons singular. Third person singular. On, he, she, it. Then we, wa, as in wa, come. Wa, as in wa, come. And the last one, ji, jija, to separate. Jija, middle, to separate. Jija, middle, to separate. See you in the next class. Kindly like and share to learn more. Thank you.